So today we are going to solve this problem, range sum query 2D immutable. So see, last time we have solved this problem 303. So in this problem we had one DP array. Okay, so we found sum between index I and j. So in this problem 304 is same but 2D. Okay, so now instead of a line we have a grid like this. Okay, so in 303 we have nums of array like -2, 0, 3, -5, 2 and -1. So we have to find sum between index I and index j. Okay, so now in this problem 304 we have 2D. Okay, 2D, so we have to find, we have a grid. Okay, like matris matrix is equal to 3 0 1 4 2 3 0 1 4 2 5 6 3 2 5 6 3 2 1 1 2 0 1 5 1 4 0 2 0 1 5 and 4 1 0 1 4 7 1 0 0 5 7 1 0 3 0 5. So now see what is grid. So see, you can think like a Excel sheet. Okay, so grid like a Excel sheet. Okay, so see, this is column 0, column 1, column 2, column 3 and column 4, and row 0, row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. Okay, so now what those problem asks, we have a rectangle. Okay, defined by top left corner like row 1 column 1. Okay, and bottom right corner row 2 column 2. Okay, so find sum of all numbers inside this rectangle. Now let's take example. So we have to let sum range is equal to 2 1 4 3. Okay, so top left means row 2 column 1 and bottom right row 4 column 3. Okay, like okay, 2 0 1 1 0 1 and 0 3 0. Okay, row 2 column 1. In this is in line column 1 and row 3 column 3. Row 4 column 4. Row 4 means this only. Okay, column 1 to column 3, sum of all numbers in bracket. So like 2 0 1, sum of 2 plus 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0 plus 1 and 0 plus 3 plus 0 is total is 8. Okay, 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now see, they are given matrix 2D, grid of numbers, and query is sum range row 1 column 1 row 2 column 2, return sum of all numbers inside the rectangle. Now see, you can think like this also. You have a chocolate box. Okay, it has rows and column. Okay, column 1, wait, let me clear all of this. So you have chocolate box, it has rows and column 1, column 2, column 3 and column 4, and row 0, no, column 0 we have to start 1 2 3, 0, row 1, row 2 and row 3. Okay, in column 0, row 1 1, 5 9 13, 2 6 10 14, 3 7 11 15, 4 8 12 16. So someone asks you add up all chocolate from row 1 column 1 and row 2 column 2. Okay, so we have to add chocolate from, we have to add up all chocolates, okay, from row 1 column 1, row 2 column 2. So row 1 column 1 6 7, because column 1 2, okay, 6 7, and row 2 column 2 means 10 11. Okay, so total is 7 8 9 34. Okay, so the answer is 34. So this is some range. So okay, the means see that is some range. Some range is 1 1 2 2 is 34. Okay, row 1 is one start row, column 1 is one start column, and row 2 end row, and column 2 end column. Okay, now let's take another example. Say if we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Okay, row 0 row 1 row 2 and row 3, column 0 column 1 column 2 column 3, column 3. Now see some range, some region is 0 0 1 1. So what's the answer? Let's calculate. We want 0 0 1 1 na, row 0 column 0 row 1 column 1. Okay, now see column row 0 column 1 1 2 5 6. Okay, so 5 6, so 1 plus 2 and 5 plus 6, total 14. Okay, so the answer is 14. If we take second some range like 0 0 3 3, so what's the answer? We are going to adding all of this. Okay, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 10, and 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 26, 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12 42, and 13 plus 14 plus 15 plus 16 58. Okay, so the total is 10 26 48 42 58 is 136. So the answer is 136. So see, we know the 303 problem, we had 1D array. Okay, we use prefix sum. For this problem we have used prefix sum. But this problem, let's see, we have used prefix of I, sum of 0 to I. Now in this problem 304 we have 2D grid, so it's the same idea but in 2D. Okay, now say what if we pre-calculate sum of every possible rectangle starting from 0 to 0. Okay, so see prefix of I j is sum of rectangle from 0 0 to I j. Okay, now see what is mean by I and j, prefix of I and j. See, you can think like this: column 0, column 1 and column 2, row 0, row 1, row 2. 1 2 3 5 6 7 9 10 11. Now if prefix of 1 sum of rectangle from 0 0 to 1 1. Okay, so 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 6 is 14. So prefix of 1 1 is 14. Okay, now how to build prefix? See, we have simple formula. Let me clear this. We have simple formula like prefix of I j equal to matrix of I j plus prefix of I minus 1 j, this is row above. Okay, and see, plus prefix of I j minus 1, this is column left, and minus prefix of I minus 1 and j minus 1, remove overlap. Okay, I and O, we remove overlap. So why we subtract this overlap? See, we have prefix of prefix of I j minus 1 means O covers this much and it's cover this much, and if prefix of I j minus 1 covers this, and when we add both, a overlap. Okay, so we counted twice like this. Okay, so subtract overlap prefix of I minus 1 and j minus 1. Okay, so how to answer the queries? Okay, so for some range like row 1 column 1 row 2 column 2, answer like prefix of row 2 column 2 minus prefix of row 1 minus 1, and column 2 minus prefix of row 2 column 1 minus 1 plus prefix of row 1 minus 1 and column 1 minus 1. Okay, so remove top, remove left, and add back corner. Okay, now see like this. Wait. If we have range some query like 1 1 2 2 column 0 column 1 column 2 row 0 row 1 row 2 1 5 9 2 6 10 3 7 11. So we have to add row 1 column row 1 column 1 row 2 column 2 row 1 this and column 1 this. Okay, row 2 column 2. So let's define this answer. So prefix of 2 minus prefix of 0 2 minus prefix of 2 0. So this is whole rectangle from 0 0 0 to 2 2. Okay, and remove left part and remove this, will remove top part and this will remove left part. So prefix of plus prefix of 0 0 at back corner. Okay, so like 39 minus 6 minus 15 plus 1 is equal to 34 minus 15 plus 1 plus 1. So wait, let me calculate properly. Wait. Prefix of 2 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 is equal to 10 letter 54, and prefix of 0 2 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 and it was 6, and prefix of 2 0 prefix of 2 0 is equal to 1 plus 5 plus 9 is equal to 15. So prefix of 0 is equal to 1. So the answer is 54 minus 6 minus 15 plus 1 is equal to 34. Okay, so same pattern as 303. 1D prefix sum is wait, let me show you why. Right, in 303 we have 1D prefix sum range is like ij is equal to prefix of j minus prefix of I minus 1. So in this 304 we have 2D prefix sum. Okay, 2D prefix sum like sum range is equal to row 1 column 1 row 2 column 2 is equal to prefix of row 2 and column 2 prefix of row minus 1 row 1 minus 1 and column 2. So prefix minus okay, prefix of row 2 column 1 minus 1 plus prefix of row 1 minus 1 and column 1 minus 1. Okay, so it was clear. Now in this place, yes, there was a place little bit. Now let's take small example and try run this. Okay, sorry. Let's take small example. Matrix is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, first we have to build prefix array. Okay, first we build prefix array. Prefix of I j is equal to sum of rectangle from 0 to 0 0 0 to I j. Okay, now prefix of 0 just first cell. Okay, prefix of 0 0 is equal to matrix of 0 is equal to 1. So is equal to 1. Let's write prefix of wait, let me write here. Prefix of is equal to 1. Okay, next prefix of 0 and 1 0 1 2 0 1 2. Prefix of 0 and 1. Okay, so second cell. Now prefix of 0, so prefix of 0 plus matrix of 0 1 is equal to 1 plus 2, that was 3. Okay, so prefix 3. Next 0 2, so prefix of 0 2 is equal to prefix of 0 1 plus matrix of 0 2, that was 3 plus 3 6, so 6. Next 0 2, prefix of 0 2 I have done 0 2 now, so no, wait. So prefix of 1 0. First column, second cell. First column, second cell. Okay, 0 0 and is equal to prefix of 0 0 plus matrix of 1 0 is equal to 1 plus 4, that was 5. So 5. Okay, so next prefix of 1 1. Now use full formula. Okay, now we use full formula is equal to matrix of 1 1 plus prefix of 0 1 row above and plus prefix of 1 0 minus prefix of 0 0 row overlap, so 5 plus 3 plus 5 minus 1, that was 12. Okay, like 12. Now see 12. Next prefix of 1 1 prefix of 1 2. Okay, so matrix of 1 2 plus prefix of 0 2 plus prefix of 1 1 minus prefix of 0 1, that was 6 plus 2. Where is 12 minus 3? 12 minus 3, so 21. So let's write 21. Okay, now next prefix of 2 0. So prefix of 2 0 is equal to prefix of 1 0 plus matrix of 2 0 5 plus 7 12. 5 plus 7 12. Next prefix of 2 1, so is equal to matrix of 2 1 plus prefix of 1 1 plus prefix of 2 0 minus prefix of 1 0, that was 8 plus 12 minus 5 27. Okay, 27 12 27 and prefix of 2 2 prefix of 2 2 is equal to matrix of 2 2, so plus prefix of 1 2 1 2 plus prefix of 2 1 minus prefix of 1 and 1, so 9 plus 21 plus 27 minus 12 is equal to 45. Okay, 45. Wait, I didn't write this all. 12 27 45 45. Now next we have to answer the queries. Let me clear all of this. Wait. Prefix is equal to 1 3 6 5 12 21 and 12 27 45. Okay, next step is we have answered the queries. So the first query, some range like sum region is 1 1 2 2, sum of rectangle from 1 1 to 2 2. Okay, column 2 row 0 row 1 row 2. What's the formula? Prefix of row 2 column 2 minus prefix of row 1 minus 1 column 2 row 2 column 1 minus 1 plus prefix of row 1 minus 1, so column 1 minus 1. Okay, so is equal to, let's calculate all of this. Prefix of 2 2 minus prefix of 0 2 minus prefix of 2 and 0 plus prefix of 0 0 45 minus 6 minus 12 plus 1 28. Okay, let's see. 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9 28. Okay, now let's second sum range is second query sum region is 0 0 1 1. Okay, so sum of rectangle from 0 0 to 1 1 in this 0 0 1 1 to 1 3 2. No, wait, so if we have, let's take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 7 8 9. So row 0 row 1 row 2 column 0 column 1 column 2. Okay, so the formula is row 1 minus row 1 is equal to 0, so special case, and row 1 minus 1 is equal to negative 1 does not exist. So where row 1 is equal to 0 and column 1 is equal to 0, some part becomes 0. Okay, so like prefix of 1 minus 0 plus 0. So c minus 0 means row 1 is equal to 0 on top, so column 1 is equal to 0 on left, and column does not exist. Okay, so the answer is 12. Answer is 12. So let's verify. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5, that was 12 only. Okay, now let's take another sum region is 0 1 1 2. Okay, sum from 0 1 to 1 2. So 0 1 to 1 2. So in okay, so let's see, is equal to prefix of 1 2 minus prefix of minus 1 2, that was row 1 is equal to 0, so it was 0, and minus prefix of 1 is 0 plus prefix of minus 1 0 is row 1 is equal to 0, so 0. Okay, so 21 minus 0 minus 5 plus 0, total is 16. Well, that was 16. Okay, so let me write everyone. So prefix of 1 3 6 5 12 21 12 27 45. So in query 1, sum range from 1 1 2 2, that was 28. Query 2, sum range is 0 0 1 1 12. Query 3, sum range is 0 1 1 2 16. Okay, 16. So the answer is 16. Wait. So let's see. MATRIS matrix is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so the prefix of this is equal to 1 3 6 5 12 21 and 12 27 45. Now let's write code. Okay, so see, first we have to store prefix array, so we need prefix array in both function. Okay, we have two functions. See, we have matrix and sum range. We have to store in outside only. Okay, so see here we build this. Okay, prefix of 136, so we need to store it somewhere, so we have store in outside here. ECTY Victor, EC2D Victor. Okay, the int prefix. We have built prefix constructor. So when object is created, build prefix array once, then all queries use it. So see, we need row and columns. Okay, we need row and columns. Matrix, see, 0 1 2 0 1 2, matrix 3 to column 3, row 3. So matrix has 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, matrix has 3 row and 3 columns. So int row is equal to matrix matrix dot size, and int column is equal to matrix matrix of 0 dot size. Okay, next prefix prefix dot resize rows, ECTY Victor, int columns 0. Okay, I have just write the letters. See, fill first cell. Okay, so first cell has no row above or column left, so just copy matrix value. Okay, so we have like say prefix of 0 0 is equal to matrix of 0 0 is equal to 1, is equal to 1. So in code we have to write prefix of 0 0 is equal to matrix of 0 0. So first fill row. So first row has no row above, so just keep adding from left, like this. Prefix of 0 1 is equal to prefix of 0 0 express matrix of 0 1 1 plus 2 is 3. So prefix of 0 2 is equal to prefix of 0 1 plus matrix of 0 2 is equal to 3 plus 3, that was 6. Now write in code. For int j is equal to 1, j is less than columns, and j plus plus prefix of 0, j is equal to prefix prefix of 0 j minus 1 and plus matrix of 0 j. Okay, 0 j, let's see. So now we have to fill first column. So first column has no column left, so just keep adding above terms, like prefix of 1 0 is equal to prefix of 0 0 plus matrix of 1 0. That was 1 plus 4 5, and prefix of 2 0 prefix of 1 0 plus matrix of 2 0 5 plus 7, that was 12. Now like this also. For and I is equal to 1, I is less than rows, I plus press. So P R A F I S prefix of I 0 equal to P R E F I S prefix of I minus 1 0 plus MAT matrix of I 0. Now we have to fill list of cell also. So see, for every other cell use full formula. Okay, for every other cell use full formula, like prefix of ij, you know, let me write the formula once. Ij is equal to matrix of I j plus prefix of I minus 1 j, and plus prefix of I j minus 1 minus prefix of I minus 1 and j minus 1. Okay, now see how it's slow. Prefix of 1 1 is equal to matrix of 1 1 is equal to 5, and plus prefix of 0 1, that was 3, and plus prefix of 1 0 5 minus prefix of 0 0 1. So 5 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 12. Okay, now let's write. Let me first write the code and say the prefix of size. We have to write first cell also. First cell PREFI prefix of 0 0 is equal to MAT RI is matrix of 0 0. Okay, matrix of 0, and next we have to write this prefix of 0, and rest formula also we have to write, like rest of cell for int I is equal to 1 and I is less than rows, and I plus plus p, let me copy this, prefix of I and 0 is equal to prefix of I minus 1 and 0 plus 0 plus matrix of I and 0. Next we have to fill this list of cells, like I have write this. I have to fill the rest of cell for I is equal to 1 and I is equal to 1 and I is less than rows I plus plus for j is equal to 1, j is less than columns, and j plus plus. So prefix of command with prefix of I j is equal to matrix of I j plus prefix of I j and I minus k. I j minus 1 and prefix of 0. I minus 1 to j plus prefix of I j minus 1 minus prefix of I minus 1 to j minus 1. Okay, it was clear. Now we have to fill this also. Some range queries, column 1, column 2. Well, write this code in result is equal to prefix of row 2, column 2, row 2 and column 2. Okay, if row 1 is greater than 0, result is minus equal to prefix of left row 1 minus 1 and column 2. Okay, if column 1 is greater than 0, result is minus or equal to prefix of row 2 and next is column 1 minus 1 if row 1 is greater than 0 and column 1 is greater than 0, result equal to prefix of row 1 minus 1 and column 1 minus 1. So in last, just return the result. Now let me check it was right or not. What song? Enter. See all in result are 2. Wait. mistake. Yes, it's run. Let me submit this. Yes. Now see 5 2 So now I have to answer the queries. So in some, this part, okay, this. So sum range region is row 1 column 1 row 2 column 2, okay, and see prefix of row 2 column 2 minus prefix of row minus 1 row 1 minus 1 and column 2. So means if row 1 is greater than 0 minus prefix of row 2 column 1 minus 1 if column 1 is greater than 0 plus prefix of row 1 minus 1 and column 1 minus 1 means if both is greater than 0, if both is greater than 0, like this, say if we have some region is like 1 1 2 2, so 1 1 2 2, say prefix of 2 and minus prefix of 0 2 and minus prefix of 2 0 plus prefix of 0 2, so 2 2 is equal to 45 is equal to 6 12 and 1, okay. So the total of all these 45 minus 16 minus 12 plus 1, that was 28, okay, that was 28. So the time complexity of this is, we have built prefix, so time is big of row into columns and space complexity is big of rows into columns. So each query is time is big of 1. That was super fast. That's it. So this is a full code and it's right. Okay.